Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT English question. This was question 2 on the English section of ACT 64E. Right there, why don't you pause the video, huh, Buster? I don't think people call each other Buster anymore. But in any case, pause the video. Why not try the question yourself, see how it goes, and then you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See if there's anything that you'd like to improve. All right, we're getting in there. It reads, as the potter takes bricks away to create an opening into the oven, an expanding view of gleaming shapes rewards the artist for months of hard work. And the question reads, the writer would like to suggest the potter's cautious pace and sense of anticipation in opening the kiln. Given that all the choices are true, which one best accomplishes the writer's goal? You'll notice the question did not read, which one of the following sounds the best? Or, if you were to write the essay, what would you have it say here? No. In fact, they were quite specific about what they wanted. It says here we wanted to suggest the potter's cautious pace and sense of anticipation. Okay, well as written it just says the potter takes bricks away. And you could do that at whatever pace you'd like, so it doesn't suggest a cautious pace. Okay, so it's not F. Let's go on. At G it says removes bricks by hand. Now that is a bit more detail, but it doesn't tell us anything about pace or sense of anticipation. You can remove things by hand and then be flinging them all around the room willy-nilly. So I don't love G. Let's go on. H says, removes one brick at a time. Well, that's more like it. You would have to be doing that at a cautious pace, and I suspect you would have some building anticipation if you were to remove bricks that way, so we'll keep it around. And J says, experiences great anticipation and removes bricks. Now that might seem like a nice answer because it even has the word anticipation in it, but the phrase experiences great anticipation and removes bricks again doesn't give us any sense of pace. You can experience great anticipation and still be in a frenzy. So the only one that matches what they were looking for was answer choice H. Super cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to hit me up in the comments below or email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.